So I am going to organize this space in my bathroom. This is a cabinet under the sink. The cabinet next to under the sink. I organized this space a while ago, and then I took out an organizer, and then it's gotten out of control since then. So I'm going to take everything out, we'll wipe this area down, and then I have some new organizers. So let's see what we can do. Let's get right into organizing and decluttering this cabinet. Welcome to my channel. I am Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living here on YouTube, and in today's video, it is a collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. This is the Tiny Tidy Tuesday collab. Every Tuesday we get together to bring you tiny tidies, to motivate you to tackle some things around your home, one small thing at a time. So I'll have a link to Sunday Dawn's channel down below in the description box, along with the playlist for more cleaning motivation to get your week started and help you tackle things on your to-do list this week. So I will be back in a little bit to show you how this project turned out, and now I'm going to put on some music.
I am loving how this cabinet is turning out. I will be showing you what it looks like all done here in a minute, but thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Here on my channel, I share our homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, and more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely stick around. Don't forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist linked down below for more cleaning motivation for your week. I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned for how this looks when I am all done. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Okay, so here is the after. Excellent. And I can pull this out. And push it back in. And I have my Curious George, and I have a Curious George up here just because I'm crazy. And there's room in here. Lots of things. And then I really, really, really like how this came out.